Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. Okay, first of all, I didn't even know they have magnetic mask. This is my first time ever hearing about a magnetic mask, and the only reason why I knew about it is because I was watching, she was doing like a makeup video, and then she was doing then she did a mask and she was like how it's a magnetic mask. I'm like, a magnetic mask, let me try that out. So this is my first time using a magnetic mask, so we'll see how that goes. Let me just read what it says on the box for a little bit. And right now I just washed my face, so I have a clean face right now, and I'm gonna read what it says on the box, and then we're gonna go ahead and try this mask out. Now whenever I use masks, for some reason I don't know if it's because my skin is sensitive. My skin doesn't react well to masks. Like, I have to use a natural mask, the clay mask with like apple cider vinegar. Other masks usually either it'll break my skin out or it won't do well with my skin. So I'm gonna use this mask. I'm gonna wait a week and I'm gonna tell you if it did break my skin out or not. I'll give an update at the end. Okay, so on the box it says e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. The magnetic tool and unique mask formula works together to visibly lift away surface impurities. Okay. Alright, in the back it says, this combative mask is formulated with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants: carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil, to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away impurities. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth makeup ready canvas. After I do this mask, I'm not putting on makeup, so alright, so let's open up this mask. Okay, this is what the magnetic mask kit comes with. It comes with the covering for the magnetic tool. So you put it over here. And this says beauty, it won't focus, but let me show you what it says. It says e.l.f. Beauty Shield. And then this is the actual mask. And then when you open it, I opened it already, so that's why you see the black poking out. And you take this off, that's what it looks like inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the mask on. I pulled my hair back so I can get my hair out the way when I put the mask. The last thing I need is the mask to get on my hair, okay? It says to use the scoop side and apply the mask. That's so cool that they thought about that. So you use this side to apply the mask, and then I guess you use this side to take the mask off, which I think is so cool. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells really good, y'all. It smells really good. Okay. Alright, this is how I'm looking right now. I know I look a little crazy. I set my timer for 10 minutes. Because it says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. I must tell y'all though that it's stinging me a little bit. I don't know. Is it supposed to sting? I might leave it on for 5 minutes, okay? Because it says 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to leave it on for just 5 minutes. Because I'm getting like a little tingly, like a little stingy sensation. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I put on there's like little blotches here, but that's okay. I put it on most of my face, so. Y'all, you don't know what just happened. You see this little patch right here? This is the cover you put over the magnetic shield to keep it mess free. And I just barely put it there just to see if it would do anything, and it just sucked it off. Oh my gosh, it really works. I'm gonna do that on camera and show y'all. Ready? Look at that. That is so cool. I think that's so cool. Looky. All of that came off my skin. Let me see if I can give you an up close. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, so let's see. Did y'all see that? Did you see that? Let's do it again. Did y'all see that? I think that's so cool. I can't get over that part. I cannot get over that part. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I forgot to say that it's been 5 minutes already. I waited like 7 minutes. All right, let's do the rest of my face. That is so cool. Y'all, this is what I've gotten so far. Look at that. Look at that. It's kind of gross, but it's kind of cool at the same time. I feel like I should clean off this a little bit and then continue. So I went ahead and used a, oh my god, look at my nails, y'all. My nails is black. All right, so the mask is a little messy, but you can wash it off with soap and water. I went ahead and took the rest off camera. I used like a damp paper towel and like gently removed the rest, because you know the magnet can only get so much. So I went ahead and just gently removed the rest, and this is how my face is looking right now. My face feels very smooth, very subtle. And they say for best results, do not rinse your face. That's why I went ahead and gently removed it with a wet paper towel. Feels very smooth. But like I said, I'm gonna wait a week, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts a week later. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my skincare routine though.
Alright, well this is how my skin is looking after I finish my skincare routine. You could actually see what I did in my last video, the video titled Get Unready With Me. And normally I start reacting to masks like right away. I'll get like a little rash or something, but so far so good. We'll see after a week though. Hey y'all, it's been 1 week and 2 days to be exact, and I just wanted to hop on here real quick. Don't mind me right now. I'm in my little silk bonnet and my glasses. I'm just chilling at home, okay? But I wanted to hop on here real quick and just say that this mask is the truth. I 100% recommend this mask. I did not break out. I did not get any rashes. Normally, when I use a mask, I'll get a rash maybe like 2 or 3 days after, or I'll get like breakouts. Not this mask. I think I finally found a mask that I could rock with. The directions say to use it 1 to 2 times a week. So when I do it again, I'm going to try doing it 1 to 2 times a week and then update y'all again on how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and update y'all real quick. All right.